Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at Grom Audio, and today I have a 2016 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you guys how to take the radio apart, and I'm going to go ahead and install VLine in this vehicle, so come along and check it out. Okay, to access our radio in our 2016 Toyota Prius, I need to remove this panel here on the right side of the dash, on the passenger side. So I'm going to go ahead and just take my plastic trim tool and just carefully place it on the lower edge, like so. And then once I get it nicely in there, I'm just gonna give it a little twist, and then you'll slowly hear it snap, and it's already starting to work itself out. So now I'm just gonna use my hands, and there it is. So inside this little access area here, there's a little push button tab which I've already kind of loosened, but you might need like a little flat plastic, trim piece, and just pop the little pop rivet off. And again, I already removed it for demonstration purposes, and here it is. Looks like that. Once you're done with this, then we moved on to the trim around the radio. Alright guys, the next step in removing the radio from our 2016 Toyota Prius is removing the center glossy trim here. Now this glossy trim is one piece, so I'm going to start working my way from the passenger side, and I'm going to slowly work towards the center. The vents are attached to this trim piece, so this entire piece is going to essentially come out as one. So with the climate controls on the bottom here. So we just have to be careful when we pull this trim out. We have the wiring harnesses for the climate control and also the push start button. So again, I'm going to start by working on the right side of the passenger, and then I'm going to slowly work my way up towards the center. So it just, again, it all snaps off. You can use the plastic trim tools or even the bigger one here for slightly more leverage. So just gently work your way from the right side of the edge, and just, again, it comes out towards you. So it's not, it doesn't go down or up, it just comes out towards you. So we just want to, as soon as you give a little bit of pressure, you can hear it starting to, it's kind of coming off already. And just take your time, just be gentle with it, and there it is. Okay. And if I turn it around, you can kind of see the wiring harness that I'm talking about. So just going to support it with my left hand here. So I'm going to go ahead and just unplug it. Trying to be nice and slow. I don't want to break the tab, so don't want to rush it. Alright, and there's that. Okay. So I'm just going to put this aside somewhere safe so I don't scratch it or anything. Again, the face on this is glossy, so I got my microfiber cloth. I'm just going to wipe it down and put it aside. Alright, so now we're looking at the radio of our 2016 Toyota Prius. There's going to be 4 10mm sockets that hold it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and just remove those. Alright guys, I removed all 4 10mm bolts from the radio, and now it's ready to just slide out. So just go ahead and just slide it out like so. And I'm actually going to get my microfiber cloth just to protect it. Alright. And there it is. And from there I can access the wiring harness and plug in my VLine unit. So that's it guys. That's how you take apart the radio for a 2016 Toyota Prius.